from the former constitutions of Kenya. We used to have a section 23 of the Kenyan constitutions, in which all executive powers were vested in the president. That position radically changed under the 2010 constitution. We used to have section 30 of the constitution, in which parliament meant the president and the legislature. My Lord, those positions changed. The change of those positions, which is the submissions that we are making, the impeachment proceedings would have the consequences, if it goes the way in which it has gone, of effectively bringing back to life sections 23 and sections 30 of the former constitution. Now, the second issue that I need to emphasize on the existential issues of the constitution is this. My Lord, from the standpoint of the constitution and to safeguard constitutionalism, there is these issues that is called security of tenure that certain offices enjoy, particularly with regards to the questions of removal. My Lord, the two offices that enjoys the greatest tenure are the office of the president and the office of the deputy president. My Lord, why is that the case? Because they are legally protected that to remove a president or a deputy president, you need impeachment. They are also secured by the electoral process, that those two people, to get to those offices, they must be voted into those offices by the people. But the significance of this is this. Every other holder of the offices, from constitutional office holders to judges and everybody else, doesn't enjoy political tenure. It is only legal protection for those particular offices. So that, my Lord, the point is this, that the true weight of this matter is this. If it were to turn out that an office that enjoys the greatest protection, like the office of the deputy president, can be called, the removal can happen as we are alleging it happened in this case. My Lord, the whole scheme of constitutional tenure and protection that is necessary to protect our democracy would effectively be null and void. This would mean if you have numbers, you do not like the speaker of the day, you can get him out. Numbers in a democracy, and that is why you write the constitutions, numbers must be controlled by law. If we reach a position where numbers cease to be controlled by the law, my Lord, that would effectively have negated all the constitutional gains that this country has made. My Lord, having made that point of the nature of the issues that you are dealing with, let me come to the issues before you. My Lord, the petitioners, or in those cases, in those affidavits, in the applications, are saying a fairly simple issue. They are saying that as a result of events that occurred in Kenyatta, that are partly the subject of the yesterday's decision that was made, and as a result of other matters that is the subject of the supplementary affidavit, the petitioners feel, and the petitioners are of the strong opinion, that a case of this magnitude is not the kind of case that should be decided by a bench in which they do not enjoy full confidence in. My Lord, the basis of that, since this is highlighting, would be four. My Lord, on the first issue is that the petitioners, and in their